2022 Panini Mosaic Baseball Cello Pack. 15 cards. Going to have some pink camo parallels. And who knows what else. Former Cy Young winner Zach Greinke, Logan Gilbert, Luis Gill, Gavin Sheets, Marcus Semien, the Rangers, first place. Silver Prism, Matt Olson. Braves lineup could have a potential 7 guys with 25 home runs or more. Very impressive. Bryson Stott from my Philadelphia Phillies. Mike Yaz. Joey Votto, 7 home runs in 16 games. Big Mac, Mark McGwire. Hall of Famer Greg Maddux. Ivan Rodriguez, also in the Hall of Fame. And finishing off with Teoscar Hernandez. Thank you so much for watching. Be sure to hit like and subscribe.